Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to change your voice to a girl's voice during an Instagram call in 2025. Whether you're doing it for fun, or pranking your friends, or just want to try something new, this guide will walk you through the tools and steps to make it happen. Let's dive right into it. But first, you'll need a real-time voice changer app that works on a mobile. For Android users, I recommend Magic Call or Voice Changer with Effects. For iPhone users, apps like Voice Mode Live or Call Voice Changer will do the trick. Start by downloading one of these apps from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and grant all necessary microphone and audio routing permissions. This is key because the app needs to intercept your mic input to modify your voice. Next, select the voice present you want. Most apps will let you choose from a range options like a girl, teen, or even custom tones, where you can adjust the pitch and the speed. Do a quick test inside the app to make sure the voice sounds the way you want it to. Now, here's the most important part. To make it working during an Instagram call, you want to keep the voice changer app running in the background. Then open Instagram and start your call. Your phone's microphone input will be passed through the voice changer and then to Instagram. For some devices, especially Android, you might need activate speaker mode or voice modulation mode inside the voice changer app to route audio properly. If you're not getting the voice change effect on the call, go to the phone's audio settings and allow the app to run over the other apps or modify system sound. That ensure the filter stays active during live calls. And just like that, you will be sounding completely different on Instagram voice or video calls. Have fun with it, but remember, always use it respectfully and never impersonate anyone to device or harm others. If this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tech like this. Catch you in the next one.